hands, hey. Before you touch, stop and see. Check if you have dirty hands, 'cause maybe they will smell. Dirty, dirty hands, wash them step by step. If your hands are dirty, you should wash. Wash your hands, wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash your hands, wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash your hands, hey. Before you eat, stop and see. Check if you have dirty hands, 'cause maybe they will smell. Dirty, dirty hands, wash them step by step. If your hands are dirty, you should wash your hands. Wash your hands, wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash your hands, wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash your hands, hey. Before you touch, stop and see. Check if you have dirty hands, 'cause maybe they will smell. Dirty, dirty hands, wash them step by step. If your hands are dirty, you should wash your hands. Wash your hands, wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash your hands, wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Octopus, octopus! Huh? Me! Huh?
Nuh-uh. I'm playing with it now.
Hey! Give me back my shells.
Cuquin! Hey, umbrella! Let go of my brother!
Ow!
Did the ocean just say something?
Ouch!
A mermaid! A living, breathing, walking mermaid! or hopping. Okay, swimming. Whatever. A mermaid. Hi, we're Cleo and Cuquin. What's your name?
Nita, you're some strange-looking fish.
We're kids. You're the fish. Well, half of you anyway. Hey, pulling you out of the water was an accident. Sorry. Do you know how to get back home?
I think it's that way, or that way, or the ocean's very big and my house is very small.
Of course, that's it. It's playtime. Quickly, panda bag. Diving goggles, flippers, notebook. We're going to help Nita get back home. Don't be sad. We just need a few clues to get you home. What can you remember?
There are plants like this, but wetter. Algae, the color of your bow.
Red algae. Okay, great. We have one clue.
And there's a seashell like this one, but much bigger. And pink. But something's missing. I know.
Oh, bubbles.
Stop it! No way! That's my home! Actually, it's much bigger, but it looks just like that. Look, it's me!
You live in that? How cool! A sunken pirate ship. We've got tons of clues now. The search is on.
Huh? Where are you going? The shovel's your house? Oh, sorry. I'll find you a new one. Here you go. Don't worry. I'll help you find a new house that's very groovy.
It's over here.
Huh?
No, wait, over here. Come on, let's go. You guys are slower than a pack of sea snails.
Yay!
Are we close to your home?
I have no idea, but this is my favorite food.
Yes, this is the red algae found near your home. We're on the right track. Being a mermaid rocks. I think we're lost. Wait, what's that? Yay, we found it!
Yes, home sweet home. Thank you, you guys are the best. Hi, you'll never believe it. I've just been to the craziest place, and I made some amazing new friends.
Awesome! We helped Nita find her way back home. And best of all, now I know what I want to be when I grow up. A mermaid! And Cleo takes the lead ahead of Cuquin. See you later, Snail.
Go! Play! Me!
I got here first.
Yes!
Mine went further than yours. Hey! Let's make things a bit more exciting. Let's have a bottle cap race. Yay! You go first. All right, I'm winning. Check out my special shot. Yes.
Achoo!
I won! No, I won. No, look, I won.
Me, win, me!
That doesn't count. You cheated. No one can beat me. Of course, that's it. It's playtime. Quickly, panda bag. Helmets, flags, trophy. We are going to have a real race and see who wins.
Hey! Car!
Car? What is that?
This is a propulsion reactor. It'll make you the fastest in the race.
But this is a race, Cletus. The fastest wins. And turtles are very slow.
Turtles are groovy.
3, 2, 1, and hey! I didn't say go.
Even the turtle is beating me. What's going on here?
Looks like the flux capacitor is faulty.
Ah! Being a race car driver rocks.
Flutterby.
win. Now how am I gonna win?
Or me.
Me win.
Yay! The race is over!
The turtle won?
Yeah, it was more important to get to the end.
Get me down from here! A round of applause for the fastest of them all!
And now I know what I want to be when I grow up. A race car driver.